Oh, it's happening. The Aristos is coming in. As Nov says, for surgery. It's surgery time, Nov. It's surgery time. I didn't see you guys when Nov stripped everything out. It's looking like a dump, Nov. Holy crap. I don't know if it's going to happen, but Heath gets on next Sunday, which is 8 days away from today, and Nov really wants to take my car to the racetrack to see how it goes, like with the new engine and everything. So that's his goal for getting the car done. I don't know if we're actually going to get that done in time, Nov. I mean, what am I doing here? I'm doing nothing. I'm just recording. That's a lot of pressure with work and stuff, but if you want something bad enough, you just got to make it happen. Exactly. And the good thing is that as well, I get to drive Mum's Corolla for the next week to work and stuff because she's overseas. So perfect timing.
Ooh, an engine bay full of 2JZGTE.
Holy moly, Nov. It's actually happening. I can't believe it's actually happening. Nov's about to take the engine out of the Aristo. That is so cool. That is actually a good thing, like a sheepskin thing to have on the ground. How cool is that?
Sure.
Because it's like freezing, it's like probably 7 degrees. Ugh. Spare parts galore here for now. Spare parts.
Spare parts keys.
So I just went to the shops and I came back. And look what I come back to. Oh my gosh, no, it's out. It's actually out. And there's a giant hole in this Aristo. How did it go? Standard procedure, holy shit. Nov did say that there's like bits and pieces he's got to actually work on this engine because not everything's in a great condition, and just bits and pieces, like bits and pieces you got to fix, yeah?
Bits and bobs.
Bits and bobs. So you wanted to show me an exhaust or something?
Yeah, on this side.
Alright. I'm coming to see what you got. What you got for me.
Look what they've done. They put a 3-inch exhaust on it, and then they have this like standard elbow that they cut off
Oh,
from the standard cat converter. Then welded all this bullshit on there with this flex
Oh my
fucking
gosh.
pipe. It's narrow as fuck.
crap.
So I didn't even see that. You know what that means?
What?
When this is off, I do a proper exhaust.
Oh my god.
This thing's gonna be flying on twins.
Holy shit.
That's right.
No, you seem so happy and cheery after a whole day's work. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm just looking forward to some food.
Yes, we gotta eat.
No wonder the car was so quiet. For like, it was doing my head in because when you think about it, it has like a large exhaust on it, but fuck, for some reason, it
Honestly,
just didn't make any noise.
considering there was an exhaust, it made no noise. Unless you really step on it, the car was quieter than a Corolla. And now you know why.
Weird.
What you got there, Nov?
A proper front pipe versus stock mod kind of shit, rubbish, crap.
Wow,
So yeah.
that is crazy. Now that's gonna be so much better. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nov's made a discovery. What's that, Nov? Ooh.
Oil drain.
So is this the leak?
Yeah, one of them.
Jesus.
They bogged it up with silicon.
Ugh.
Clever, but stupid.
Who actually did this engine? And what were they thinking?
I don't know, some hack.
Obviously not much. I'm here keeping Nov company with my laptop. So Nov, how are we going with time? Like, what do you think? We're gonna get this thing done or what?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah?
I'll get done.
Because we don't want it to turn out like that one over there. 3 years later and still going strong. Nov, what are you up to?
I'm just changing the polarizer.
How's that going?
It's going good.
What else have you done in the last couple of weeks, bits and pieces to the engine?
Well, I had a few beers.
You had a few beers. Oh my god.
Oh,
This is why it's taking weeks.
Oh no.
You guys, it's been like 4 days. I haven't been here. Nov's been working so hard. I'm so excited to see the engine in my car. Let's have a look. Oh my god, this is so exciting. All right, let's have a look. The engine's finally in my car. Let's see. Woo! No, check this out. 2JZ. Holy shit. Like, to see this in my car is pretty exciting. Like, in my car. Going from non-turbo to turbo. Sick. No, so you've been working on this for about 4 days, 4 afternoons now, after work. What issues have you come across? Because I know there's been a few things you had to overcome that you didn't expect.
The cross member didn't fit, so I had to modify that. That was like the big one. The cross member really fucking held me back a lot. Otherwise, everything else slotted in pretty easily. The loom just made everything fucking so much easier.
Thank God we finally bought that loom. We searched for this loom, you guys, for like maybe 6 months to a year. Literally nobody's selling a second-hand one, so we ended up buying one from the UK. Wasn't cheap, but it was worth it because it would have made Nov's life 50 times harder if we didn't have that bloody thing.
Yep, definitely made things easier. Otherwise, other issues were while assembling the engine.
Yeah.
Say there was a lot of hack sort of work done on it. Like the manifold, I can show you the manifold.
Yeah, sure.
I'm using mine lower runners because your one, someone's drilled all these fucking holes into it and then put all these bolts in. And you can see the heads of those bolts are just like full on.
Oh my god.
Sticking through.
What?
So I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna have time to fucking fix this, so I just used mine.
Wood straight out of the Supra.
Yeah, so in saying that, I've used a lot of parts out of my car to sort of just get this thing going.
Thanks, love.
So like the power steering, say setup, like the filler bottle, the reservoir, what else? Fucking. I've used the alternator off of your old engine.
What?
Yeah, because another hack job, the guy ran like an alternator that's not for a Supra and it was offset one tooth or some shit on the belt, so he was running like a full fucking rib belt. It was just weird shit.
Yeah.
You know, like just hack fucking engineering. Instead of machining the fucking alternator to fit properly, he just changed the belt to a different fucking type. Anyway, so I've put yours on. Yeah. The rest of the issues are going to be making a tail shaft to connect, because the Arista tail shaft is longer, so I'm going to have to shorten it in 2 places.
So what are the big things that's left? Tail shaft?
Tail shaft, I got to put the diff in.
Yep.
I got to make an exhaust. I got to chuck the intercooler in.
Yep.
And
which intercooler did you decide on?
the side mount.
So side mount, yep.
It's the stock one for now.
Yep.
While it's twins, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't have to be anything special.
That's it.
If you ever decide to go single, then we'll chuck a front mount on.
Yep.
It's just that there's, like, your car is all standard. Like, you got so much plastic shit running all around. If I was to start ripping all that out just to make room for a fucking intercooler, then
No.
can't be fucked. There's too much work. I haven't got time for that. So basically, whatever like mod kind of things you want to do, we can do that later. For now, I just want to get it
Let's get it running.
running, get it out of here,
Exactly.
and yeah.